Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Good? I am also good. So, you do your work? Very nice. Regularly? You understand everything? Yes. Very good. Okay, beta. Now, we start our class. Okay? Which class? Yes, this is our fun sheet class. This is our fun sheet class. And now you tell me what is the date today? Yes, today is 25th August 2020. What is the date? 25th August 2020. And the day is Tuesday. Day is Tuesday. Okay? Now, as you can see on the board, there are so many pictures on the board. You know what is all about? Okay, now I will tell you what is this. Okay, beta, you know about sense organs? You know? Very good. Okay, I will explain you. What you gonna do today? आज हम क्या करेंगे? I will tell you. Okay? First, I will show you some pictures. Okay? And things. And you will tell me कि you use which organ for this. Okay, this is very sweet. मीठा मीठा. This is very sweet. मीठा मीठा. So tell me which sense organ you use to taste this. Tell me which sense organ you use to taste this apple or something else. Chocolate. Tell me fast. Tell me. Yes. Tongue. Which sense organ? Yeah, this is our tongue, which helps us to taste. Which helps us to taste. This is our sense organ, tongue. Okay. Now I will show you something else. Now I am reading a book. Now I am reading a book. Now tell me which sense organ we use to read. Which sense organ we use to see or read. किससे हम देख सकते हैं या पढ़ सकते हैं. Tell me fast. Good. With our eyes. With our eyes. Eyes से हम देख सकते हैं, पढ़ भी सकते हैं, देख भी सकते हैं. So this is our sense organ. The name is eyes. Third one. Yes. Can you hear something? कुछ सुना आप लोगों ने? I played some music. आपने सुना? Okay, now tell me which sense organ helps us to hear. Which sense organ helps us to hear? Yes. Ears. Which sense organ? Ears. Ears helps us to hear. Okay? सबको समझ आया? कान से हम कुछ भी सुन सकते हैं. मैम की बात आप किससे सुनते हो? जब मैम बोलती है, you use which sense organ? Yes, ears. Ears helps us to hear. Okay. The next one I will show you. Oh, this is so hot. Oh my God, this is so hot. You know, this coffee is very hot. Okay. Now tell me, bacha, which sense organ helps us to feel? Which sense organ helps us to feel? Yes, tell me fast. Yes, very good answer. Skin. Which sense organ helps us to feel? This is our skin. हमारे जो skin है वो हमें feel कराती है. आपको गरम लगता है, ठंडा लगता है, किससे पता चलता है? हमारी स्किन पे जैसे कुछ एकदम से कोई गर्म चीज ऐसे मैं लगा दूं सपोज, तो आपको क्या लगेगा? यू फील हॉट हॉट. और अगर मैं कुछ आइस लगा दूं देन यू फील कोल्ड. तो स्किन हेल्प्स अस टू फील. ओके. नेक्स्ट थिंग आई विल शो यू पिक्चर. ओह वाओ, दीज आर फ्लावर्स. वेरी नाइस. Very nice fragrance. You also like flowers? Yes. Okay, now tell me which sense organ helps us to smell. Which sense organ helps us to smell? कौन बताएगा? Who tell me first? Yes, very good. Nose. Which sense organ help us to smell? Our nose. हमारी nose से, हमारी नाक से हम लोग क्या करते हैं? सूंघते हैं. This helps us to smell. Now you understand about our sense organs? Yes. कौन कौन से होते हैं? I will show you on board also. Okay बेटा? चलिए. Now I will tell you. So first picture you can see the boy is relishing a fruit, an apple. क्या खा रहा है वो? He is eating an apple, relishing an apple. क्या खा रहा है वो? Apple. Now what you will do? You have to draw. You have to draw a sense organ which helps him to taste the apple. इसको एप्पल खाने में कौन सी सेंस ऑर्गन हेल्प कर रही है उसको टेस्ट करने में? समझ में आया? हम कुछ मीठा खाते हैं, नमकीन खाते हैं, तो विच सेंस ऑर्गन हेल्प्स अस टू टेस्ट? कौन सी सेंस ऑर्गन हमें हेल्प करती है? यस, आवर टंग. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू ड्रॉ. You have to draw this. I will show you. First, you have to make like this and like this. Okay, beta? And this is our tongue. What is this? Our tongue. Okay, this is our tongue, which helps us to taste. Which helps us to taste. Okay? Now the second one. This girl is reading a बुक. क्या पढ़ रही है? जैसे मैम पढ़ रही है, क्या कर रही है वो? रीडिंग अ बुक. ठीक है? सो विच सेंस ऑर्गन हेल्प्स अस टू रीड? या देखने के लिए कौन हेल्प कर रहा है? यस, आवर आईज. नाउ यू हैव टू ड्रॉ आईज. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ आईज. सी हाउ आई एम डूइंग? वी मेक आईज. This is our sense organ. Okay, बच्चा? This is our eyes. See? Can you see? Yes. You have to make like this. Third one. This girl. Can you see the girl? She is dancing. Why? Why she is dancing? Because she is listening to music, and it क्या उसको मजा आ रहा है. She is dancing because of music. Music की वजह से she is dancing. So which sense organ helps her to hear? Yes, ears. किसकी सहायता से वो सुन रही है? With her ears. So we have to draw what? Yes, ears. So I will draw here our ears. ठीक है? तो मैंने यहाँ पर क्या बना दी? हमारे कान. Ears. Okay? Next one, this girl क्या कर रही है? She is smelling a flower. क्या सूंघ रही है? Flower. Flower को सूंघ रही है. Now tell me which sense organ helps us to smell a flower? Yes, with her nose. Nose helps her to smell a flower. तो हमने यहाँ पर क्या बना दिया? Nose बना दी. This is our sense organ, nose. Okay? Now you can see this boy. सबको दिख रहा है boy? हाँ. A cup in his hand. उसके हाथ में क्या है? A boy has cup in his hand. Oh my God! This is so hot. This is so hot. तो उसको क्या लगा? गरम गरम. Now tell me which sense organ helps him to feel? Which sense organ helps him to feel? उसे कैसे पता चला it is hot? Yes, with his skin. किससे पता चला? Skin से. Now we will draw. Yes, very good. This is we will draw skin. So now we will draw here our hand. This is also skin. So we draw here our skin. I hope you all understand the class. Okay, I will tell you again. Beta, look at the blackboard, everyone. First, this boy is eating an apple. He is eating an apple. How he tastes the apple? With the help of tongue. With the help of tongue. Okay, next one. The girl is reading a book. Eyes helps her to read a book. Eyes helps her to read a book. Okay, eyes. Next one is the girl is dancing. Why? Because she is listening to music. So ears helps her to hear the music. Next one is girl is smelling a flower. Who helps her? Yes, nose helps her to smell a flower. The last one is boy. उसको गरम गरम लगा. He feels so hot with the help of his skin. So these are our sense organs and you have to draw in your books. Okay, beta? Tongue, eyes, ears, nose and the skin. I hope you all will do this worksheet. Okay, beta? Do this nicely and send it to me. Bye bye. Take care.